Hey everyone, welcome back to BuddyDevelopers. I'm Naveen. As you previously know guys, on BuddyDevelopers YouTube channel we used to create videos related to GeoDirectory, WordPress, WooCommerce and many new tools and trends that is coming in WordPress every day. We are creating GeoDirectory videos from the last 5 years and we noticed many people find these videos helpful. But since we have other niches too, so we were not able to create a regular content for the GeoDirectory specific content visitors. Hence we have created a separate YouTube channel called WP that means your GeoDirectory buddy. Here we will be sharing content related to GeoDirectory step-by-step tutorials. We're gonna post content related to real directory website case studies. We're gonna post customization tips and advanced configuration for the GeoDirectory websites. There will be performance optimization and maintenance guide also posted in form of videos. We will be posting troubleshooting for the GeoDirectory issues and best practices for the long-term scalability of the GeoDirectory website. And we will also discuss GeoDirectory add-on, and every piece of content on this channel will be related to GeoDirectory somehow. So from now onward, GeoDirectory specific content will not be posted in BuddyDevelopers. Instead, it will be posted on WP GeoBuddy. So if you are interested to watch more GeoDirectory specific content, you can subscribe to WP GeoBuddy. Link is in the description. So see you in the next video. Have a good day.